The U.S. Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit has ruled in favor of Jessica Bates, a Christian mother from Oregon who was previously barred from the adoption process after refusing to affirm the state's views on gender identity. Alliance Defending Freedom, a legal organization focused on religious liberty, filed the lawsuit in April 2023, challenging an Oregon Department of Human Services rule that excluded Bates from adoption eligibility. The state had required prospective adoptive parents to affirm and support a child's gender identity, including using preferred pronouns and supporting participation in LGBTQ+ events. Bates, a mother of 5, applied in 2022 to adopt children from the state's foster care system. However, her application was denied because she could not, in good conscience, agree to use pronouns she believed were inaccurate or support events such as pride parades. This effectively disqualified her from adopting any child, including infants and those who shared her religious beliefs. In its ruling, the Ninth Circuit found that Bates was likely to succeed in her claim that the ODHS policy violates her First Amendment rights to free speech and free exercise of religion. The court ordered the state to reconsider her application, allowing her to proceed with the adoption process while litigation continues. Bates had asked the court to halt Oregon's so-called gender identity exclusion, arguing that the state was discriminating against her based on her religious beliefs. Following the ruling, ADF senior counsel Jonathan Scruggs, who represented Bates, said, quote, "Because caregivers like Jessica cannot promote Oregon's dangerous gender ideology to young kids and take them to events like pride parades, the state considers them unfit parents. That is false and incredibly dangerous." He further added that the Ninth Circuit was right to remind Oregon that the foster and adoption system is supposed to serve the best interests of children and not the state's ideological crusade.